Hi everyone, this is Yev. In this video, I want to show you examples how ZonTracker will track sales in Amazon that originate from Facebook ads. And there's all kinds of scenarios, and I want to go through a few of them. So the most common one, number one, that I've seen for beta testers is from a Facebook ad directly to an Amazon page, whether it's a listing or it could be any type of URL. And there's variation within this number one where you might be putting a coupon code in the ad or any way where it's directly to Amazon. So that's a very simple one. And I'm going to have another video where how to actually scale up those types of ads. Whether you're spending $5 per day or $100 or $1,000, you want to be able to make decisions using the data of what's leading to sales to scale up only certain types of ads and turn off others. For number two, and this is I've seen the one with a lot of success for a lot of beta testers, and also it works the best for HeroClip, and that's when you're sending it to your website and then ultimately leads to an Amazon sale, which happens multiple ways. For example, when we're sending people to our website and they make sales here, that allows us to scale up the ads the most because we're able to use the purchase objective, and anything that's happening outside of our website, people going to Amazon and purchase, it's a bonus. We're able to calculate our return on ad spend better, but this is the way we're able to scale up the most. So that's where people are going to our website, and you may be adding links to Amazon on your website. For example, right now we have an Indiegogo campaign running, but we changed this banner where sometimes we just put links to Amazon from our website, and this could be very strategic where in a way it acts as social proof. You send people to your website and they prefer shopping on Amazon, so if you put the links on your website, whatever type of link you want, they'll end up on Amazon. Or if you're giving them a coupon, exchanging for an email, then they're going to end up on Amazon anyway. And a lot of people, they see your website, but then they just go directly to Amazon anyway. So they land on your website, and then they saw your brand name or product, and then they go search for it and find you and purchase that way. So that's very common, different ways, but you're basically sending people to your website. Another scenario, number three, is when people Google you. There's a lot of trust in Google. Somebody sees your ad or clicks your ad wherever they go, but then they check anyway. They go to Google, whatever your product or brand name is, and it has to be recognizable, so you can't just be spatula, because then they're not going to find you. And then they see whether it's your website or Amazon listings, and then they end up purchasing, but it's via Google. So that could happen as well. Number four, I love this one because this is related to any of these other scenarios where somebody sees your ad and then they don't necessarily click it. They see it in their news feed or in some other placement, and then they just go into Amazon or Google or somehow find your website or end up on Amazon and make a purchase. And in the ad manager, you'll be able to see this data. By default, it's set to a 1-day view attribution, but you can change that up to 28 days. The click data is by default 28 days, but ZonTracker will track those sales as well, even if nobody clicks an ad. It will still know that there's a match if somebody saw an ad from your account and ends up making an Amazon purchase. Number five, this one is really good if you have some sort of social proof where somebody else is talking about you. Here's one example, practicaltravelgear.com. They wrote about us, and inside of their article there's a link, and it could be going to either Amazon or to our website, and then ultimately somebody purchases from us, but we're running ads to our post where somebody else is talking about us. So it's a great way with social proof, with not HeroClip talking about HeroClip, but somebody else talking about us. And whether it's you're able to get somewhere on a big magazine or big blog, or even if it's some tiny blog, try to get there some sort of PR or media effort to be able to let somebody else talk about you. So that could be successful. Someone else, another example, somebody else's Facebook post. And this is where Hike Baby's talking about us. And this isn't a regular tag. You have to activate this feature, Hike Baby does, where you're able to run Facebook ads from your account onto their post. So you're able to see that data, they're able to see that data. So it's a great partnership. Facebook is allowing this. And again, it's very open, so it says that it's paid. People will see that. But then we're running the ads to their article, and then people are ending up somehow making a purchase either on our website or through Amazon, and we're tracking all of that. So you're kind of leveraging their social proof. Another example, and this may be related if you're trying to give a coupon and there's multiple steps on your website. The way we're doing it, so here's an ad, and pay attention to this wording. Click to claim offer, no email required. So you can go ahead and use that. It might work for you really well, where we're leveraging that's a high ratio of shares to likes, but we're sending people to a simple landing page where it's a video. You could have an image with bullet points, and we're saying that you're going to purchase on Amazon and you're going to see a coupon code without giving us any information. Then they click to get your coupon code, and then the next page is again our web page, and it just has the Amazon coupon code right there, and then a link to Amazon, and you could have whatever type of link you want. But what's important is that there's 2 steps there, which is different than most of the other ones, because here you're able to choose a Facebook objective of a custom conversion, somebody landing on a second page of their visit. So that second page of that part of the funnel where it's not just anybody that's clicking to the Facebook ad or engaging with an ad, but they already have some additional interest after they see your initial website offer, whatever that is. And if you're using some sort of URL redirector, there's different tools like that. So there's multiple steps. That applies to this situation as well. And number 7, this could be all kinds of scenarios and different beta testers and early access users. I've seen ads running to different places or in different ways that I didn't even think of. But as long as it starts off with a Facebook ad, any type of format, any type of ad or offer, and ends up with an Amazon sale in your account, you have the Amazon customer information and order information. It sends it to the tool, and Zon Tracker does the rest. You're able to track the sales. Just another example of that. See, you're using chatbots, so whatever your marketing funnel is, and you're sending people to your website or to Amazon from a chatbot, you can do that as well. As another scenario where somebody sees some sort of Facebook ad and then they purchase from you, and then that's trackable as well. So different scenarios. This is how you're able to do different types of ads, but then the other videos that I have where you're using the Zon Tracker data to scale up ads, and how to do any of these scenarios or multiple scenarios more efficiently by scaling ads and turning off the ones that are not working. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.